Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is basically a deep clean day. It's one of those days that I hardly vlog or record, film, whatever you want to call it. So I think this is the first cleaning video. Yeah, so that's how messed up the whole place is. I live in a bachelor flat, so it's a bedroom with its own bathroom. Then the other side is just more like a sitting area with kitchen sitting area, so nothing big. So let me know if you'd like such videos to come down on this channel. I just wanted to try and see if I can do this, because with the baby, of course, it's hard to be vlogging from all angles. So what I'm doing basically was just taking down all the curtains, because I want to clean every corner of this place. So I took down the bedroom curtains and the sitting room / kitchen curtains. I use blackout curtains in my bedroom because why not? Before I gave birth, I was a night owl, so I work through the night, so I sleep in the morning, and then so when I sleep in the morning, I don't want to see the sunlight, so that's why I use the blackout curtains, because it looks like it's still dark in there. So that's how I used to work. So on this deep clean day, I decided to also, wash my dry fish. I looked for my dry fish, got it. I was like, I am in the mood of dry fish. So these were like the last dry fish that I had. And of course, if you know fish, especially dry fish, it smells. So the idea was to just take everything outside, so that I can cook it outside in the frying thing. I forgot the name. Can you believe it? Let me know in the comment section again. What is this thing called? This is very helpful. It's like more like, not really, it doesn't get close to a pressure cooker, but it cooks very fast. And the fact that it's convenient, you can just put it outside and cook out there. So after I did that, I just decided to clean the kitchen / sitting room. So please guys, excuse my outfit, excuse my gown. So the first thing first is to clean the countertops. Cleaning the countertops, putting things back, then going deep now under the countertops, taking out all the dishes, taking out all the groceries that is in there, just to make sure that everything is well cleaned. And eventually you see how dirty those windows are. All that is going to be cleaned. My sister, you see that my sister was helping me with the bedroom window. I did this one, and yeah, it was quite good. So I went ahead, took out everything, all the beverage that I have, cleaned everything, and just make sure everything was nice dry. Another thing about cleaning, this took us literally like the whole day, but it's reduced in how many minutes? Maybe 14 minutes. So it looks like we didn't even do anything. So this is us having a late breakfast. This was around 11, and that's how I eat my lunch, guys. 4 slices. Yes, I'm a woman, with butter. That's brown bread. It's working for me very well because it gives me milk. It helps me produce a lot of milk. So when I'm busy, that's just the fast breakfast that I can make, the old traditional way. So this is me just cleaning the sink. I started with baking soda. I'm going to put lemon so that just that reaction, it's satisfying. Not only is it satisfying, but it also leaves the sink sparkling clean, sparkling clean and shiny. So I decided to clean that first, and then eventually then I start doing the dishes. Yo, as you can tell from my voice, I think I'm coming down with some flu. That's why I sound like that. So at this point I came to check on my dry fish. You can see from the shade that now this is afternoon. So what I had to do now was just to put my veggies in, my potatoes, my onions, and my tomatoes. You see already the color is changing. The moment it starts changing to some yellow orangish color, wow, then you know the good things are happening. Something nice is coming down there. So yeah, I went ahead, continued with the cleaning, and as I did that, when I checked the fridge, I got this beetroot that my mother-in-law sent me a while back, because they're sprouting. So at this point I was like, oh, let me just make my beetroot salad, and then let me try to plant this thing that's coming out. So from here everything went into the garden. I tried to put it in there, so I'll just continue watering it. So again, another sneak peek in our dry fish. Right there is my sister with my baby boy. We're cleaning the window, so the mess is still there, guys. Like, we literally didn't even touch the bedroom. So this is how everything still looks. So while I did that, I was like, guys, we need a break. Let's get I don't want to say cocktail. It's not a cocktail. Oh wow, it's not a cocktail. Mocktail. Let me know in the comment section what that is. It's cola tonic, some Sprite with ice. So I was there, watched the baby just to cool down a bit, give him some attention, feed him and all that. So at this point the dry fish is done, but we were so busy that we didn't see that the sauce was out. So when it's time to eat, we're gonna add a bit of water to make more sauce. So that's my beetroot there boiling a bit, so that we can go ahead now to make the salad. Right now just picking up everything met, and then it also needs to be washed in the I almost said in the fridge. It also needs to be washed. When I say we are trying to clean everything in this house, that's what I mean. Everything and everything. So right there I'm just wiping my baby's, what is the word, my baby's steamer, because he used to be blocked or whatever when he was like 2 months. So because of that, the humidifier not the steamer, so it helps when it's on, then he breathes better and then he sleeps better as well. So yeah, at this point we're just trying to clean the bedroom, trying to move everything, you know, collect the dust from the window frames, all that, and try to organize the shoe rack as well. So it was quite a lovely day because we were jamming to some Zambian music, to Caprivian music, to American music. It was just a whole mix, and it was just nice. So at this point the baby slept on my back, so I put him down on the other side where we cleaned. So now I'm just here cleaning his crib, making sure everything is sparkling clean. So this was the following day. In the morning my husband went to buy meat. We usually buy pork chops, beef chops, mince, wash. So we just buy all the different types of meat, then we put the chicken and the fish. So here it's just him separating the meat, and then eventually I started cleaning up the fridge to prepare for the new stock that we got. So here we just had to clean the fridge, deep clean the fridge, the bottom, because yesterday I just did the top, but then yeah, I had to clean the bottom as well. You see how messed up it is. So that's what I'm going to do now. So at this point I'm just trying to put everything back. So in that first shelf is where I try to put everything, the mixed veggies, the cones, all those things that the puff pastry, the cheese, the ice cream, all those things that do not smell, that are just all together, that are way better. But the meat, the fish, the chicken, everything goes in the second row. So this is just me trying to arrange the meat where the pork should be, where the beef should be, and all that. Now guys, I need help. You see how that thing is, that shelf is, the thing that you pull out with, which is the transparent one, it broke when I started my business of fish, selling fish about 4 or 5 years ago. So it broke when I was pulling the fridge was too frozen, that the force that I used broke the thing. So can someone tell me, if you are in Namibia, where I can order those things separately? Because you see how funny the fridge looks, it's so open. Like, guys, please hook me up. Even if you're in South Africa, let me know. South Africa, Zambia, Namibia, please let me know. I have people there that can get them for me. Just let me know if you know someone that sells those things. If you know a company that sells those things, I will gladly order, please. So we ended the day with a braai. So this is just like more of a tradition in this house. People love braaiing almost every weekend. So that's what my husband is doing. So he's just praying for us, and then that was it. Please let me know if you enjoy such vlogs, the cleaning videos. Let me know if you want to see more of them and just how I simply clean this place. Let me know guys in the comment section where you're watching this video from. So this is just me doing like a dance for you guys. And as my husband was out there doing braai, I was here like trying to check out what are we eating for dinner. And then luckily there was a head of lettuce, so I was like, let me just also make salad in here. Usually if we did that, if we are braaiing, it's either salad or pap, any kind of salad, any type of salad, or pap with chakalaka, or the both. So that is the culture here. So guys, what do you like eating your braai meat with? Because us, like I said, salad. I just love the different colors in there. Thank you guys once again.